So here's the back of the 1660 Super. One thing I like about the one that EVGA made, as opposed to some of the other ones I've seen, is that it still has the DVI port here in the back, as well as HDMI and then DisplayPort. I currently have a DVI monitor and an HDMI monitor. I like my DVI monitor just fine. It does a really good job for what I use it for. I do all of my work on 1080p resolution, so I have no reason for having really expensive, fancy monitors. So I still look for graphics cards that give me all of these options. Until I no longer have a DVI monitor, I'm going to need that port on the graphics cards I buy.